Hello, Library 10 students. This is Tony, the instructor for the course this fall. This short clip is to show you how to format a hanging indent for your works cited assignment, which is coming up very soon. So to begin with, I have a Google Doc up here. It is set up with my topic. Do we change high school start times to fit with circadian rhythms of teens? I've got works cited here, the title centered, and now over here, I've got my blinking cursor ready to insert some citations. One thing I want to make sure of up here and this toolbar is that my line spacing is double. So I've selected double. That should take care of that. So I have a couple of articles I want to cite here, and I'm going to start here. Here's one. Here I selected the quotation marks from one search to cite this. I look at the citation. It looks good. I've read the article. I've used portions of it and quotes from it in my paper. This particular citation includes the DOI, which is the digital object identifier, which we need because I did not have the actual physical copy of the journal in my hands. I read it online, and I want to give the reader the correct link to look at that for themselves. So I'm going to copy the citation to the clipboard. Then I go back to my Google Doc, and I'm going to insert now. So I will paste, and I look at it. It's double spaced. That's good, but the hanging indentation is not there. First of all, I want the first line to be fully justified to the left margin, and I keep the blinking cursor there. I look up here to where it says Format. I select Format, Align and Indent, move my pointer down to indentation options. From here, I go to special indent, hanging, apply. I shouldn't have to do this again for the rest of my citations. I'll show you how. So here I'm going to press my return or enter key twice, and then I'm going to find my next citation. It's over here. I'm in one search again. I went to the quotation marks. I have the article here. School start time and adolescent sleep patterns, results from the U.S. National Comorbidity Survey. And it looks good again. It has the digital object identifier. That's great. All the formatting looks good. I'm going to copy this one to the clipboard, go back to the Google Doc, insert, do this, and it's pretty much correct. There's one little thing, and that's that the first line is not fully justified to the left margin, and I definitely want it to be, so I move that back there, and that's done. So that's how you do the hanging indentation in Google Docs. And if you have any questions, you can always contact me. Thank you.